Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Yes, I like sports. Yes, I like sports. Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings? Yes, I have a brother. Yes, I have a brother. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am not married. No, I am not married. What is your job? What is your job? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. Yes, I have a car. What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. My favorite animal is a cat. Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I play the guitar. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. My favorite food is pasta. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like rock music. I like rock music. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? I feel great. Thanks. I feel great. Thanks. Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is raining. It is raining. Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Can you show me how to do this? Can you show me how to do this? Sure, let me help you. Sure, let me help you. Are you excited about the party? Are you excited about the party? Yes, I can't wait. Yes, I can't wait. How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee? I like it with milk and sugar. I like it with milk and sugar. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I went shopping. I went shopping. Where do you like to go on weekends? Where do you like to go on weekends? I like to go to the beach. I like to go to the beach. Do you need a ride? Do you need a ride? No, thank you. I will walk. No, thank you. I will walk. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I like to play tennis. I like to play tennis. Are you afraid of heights? Are you afraid of heights? Yes, I am terrified of heights. Yes, I am terrified of heights.